Hello everyone. We tried Tsukiyo Sushi located in Koreatown today. Let's get in. They have seats by the sushi bar. They also have tables. But we're sitting in the room today. If you're worried about sitting on the floor, don't be. Let me show you. They do have a space beneath the table, so you don't have to bend your legs while sitting. Let's check out the food. Miso soup. Pretty standard. The salad is pretty good. The vegetables is crunchy, and I like the sweetness of the salad dressing. This is their sushi lunch set. The fish is pretty fresh. It tastes so good. This is Chilashi bowl. It has fish sashimi on top of sushi rice. It is my favorite. This is Dynamite California roll. It is California roll topped with baked scallop, onion, and bell peppers. I don't like bell peppers, so I tell them not to put them. And this is seafood cream nabe. It has scallop, mussels, shrimp, and baby octopus.
個麵豉湯有冇飲啊？
一般咯，正常發揮。
Snail crab leg, chip, freshwater eel, hamburger, and 2 pieces of tomato.
咦，點解你呢個冇咗兩嚿？
俾強盜偷咗，
你最中意食邊嚿？
冇咗嗰嚿。嗰嚿 suppose
係咩啊？
係 tuna，
嗰個拖羅嚟㗎。
拖羅係。
就係呢兩嚿啦。
Thank you.
Thank you。好正。呢個就係我哋呢個嘅臘餅。點解你覺得好唔好食啊？
好食啊！
嚇，好食啊！你覺得係咩唔好食？
咁味道咯，魚幾新鮮咯。
頭先話咩啊？
我話呢個餐係24蚊 lunch set，我嗰個魚嘅質素嚟講，真係算係好抵。
但係你講清楚24蚊唔係所有嘢，係淨係呢個師傅。
梗係啦。
不過以而家呢個生活嘅水平係真係好好，成日想試下呢個。呢個唔係好似啲真係咪真蟹嚟？不過都係假蟹嚟嘅。
唔係真應該。
真㗎？
真嘅。
試下先。好味啊！非常之好味啊！
真係好味。點啊？食完又覺得呢間餐廳點咧？
我覺得呢間餐廳嗰個個環境幾好啦，幾好坐啦。
食物質素覺得點啊？
未講完，我覺得佢佢哋個 service 都好好啦，食物都幾好食啦。但係嗰個納啤咧，即係嗰個一鍋嗰個咧，佢裏邊有啲 bell peppers。咁我唔中意食 bell peppers， 但係呢個係我嘅 personal 嘅 preference 啫。咁同埋佢嗰個 dynamite 佢有 bell peppers， 但係我睇到佢個 menu 寫住有 bell peppers， 咁我同咗佢講唔要。咁我覺得 OK 嘅，係啊。咁你覺得咧？
我覺得啲嘢好食啊！
啲嘢好食啊！
同埋我覺得都幾抵食喎，
都幾抵食。
算貴嘅呢間嘢，你諗下呢個裝修、呢個 service 同埋呢個食物嘅 quality， 啲 sushi 我覺得係抵食咯。
咁我哋今日食咗幾錢咧？
唔計 tips 咪103蚊。
係，咁都 OK 咯。因為我哋有食4樣嘢食，係咪？
係啊。
Here comes to the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Till next time.